Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is the Tarot of the Owls mini version, and I would say that it's actually really ideal for those that have the Tarot of the Owls and would like a travel pack, because it's a lovely little deck and the imagery is still really clear. I'll just show it to you. There isn't a booklet, but to be honest, they're Rider-Waite-based, so you can pretty much, if you know the Rider-Waite, you can pretty much work your way through them. So that's the Fool. We're going straight into the Mage. You've got the Magician, High Priestess. They're lovely. You see the detail of them is still very much here. You don't need to. I love owls. They were my mum's favourite creature. She had this phase where she collected them all over the house. Not real ones, of course, but it became very easy for a little while to give her a gift. And sadly, she's no longer here, so. But I do feel of, they're so wise, aren't they? They say this, don't they? Because actually they see everything. You can't hide anything from an owl. The Moon. I once was said not to go through too fast, so I'm not going through too quickly, hopefully, because I tend to. Then we go into Wands, so we've got the same name, the Wands, as in she hasn't changed the names of the suits. These are the Merchant. So you could actually still read these, to be honest with you. You don't need the book if you know Rider-Waite. The image is very obviously related to the Rider-Waite. Very good, aren't they? Amazing. So yeah, it's a really lovely little deck. So these are the Wands. You've got the Queen and the King, and then into the Swords. Amazing imagery. You always know, and I say this very often, as I'm sure if you follow me, you'll know, that you can tell the success of a deck if it's closely followed by a mini deck, because it just makes it so much easier to travel with them. Those are the Swords. Oops. And yeah, it's quite nice to have it because then you can carry it around with you. I mean, I carry mine anyway, but you can. Now the Pentacles, I don't know if you've noticed, if you're new to the Tower of the Owls, but actually these are different owls for each of the suits. I hope I didn't jump one there. I don't think I did. So the Pentacles are this green owl. Amazing. And then you go on to Cups. So the Cups are these pink owls. Oh. Let me know what you think in the comments. I do read them, you know. I read all of the comments. I'll actually reply as well. I make it sound like that's an amazing thing to do because, of course, it would be rude not to. But there we go. So you've got those. And then what's that? That's just a title card and another title card. So, and then we've got the owl's eye on the back. So that's the mini version of the Tarot of the Owls. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.